Today we're going to talk about the Lat Prayer, which is one of the best isolation exercises for the lats. Most people agree on the need for isolation exercises, but not many people actually isolate their lat muscles. So in this video we're going to talk about the anatomy of the exercise, the benefits that are specific to this exercise, how to set up for the exercise, how to perform the exercise, and make sure to stick around to the end where we're going to talk about one common mistake that you'll want to avoid and how to fix it. Let's go. And we're here. Back to you, Ryan. Thanks, other Ryan. What's up, guys? Ryan here, TreadawayTraining.com, where we help busy professionals get more results in less time through online training. Now, before we begin, if you want more information on body transforming training and nutrition topics, consider subscribing. First, let's talk anatomy. With the Lat Prayer, we're isolating one of the functions of the lats, shoulder extension, meaning we're extending the arms straight back. There's another more popular exercise that also targets shoulder extension, and that is the straight arm pull down. However, if you look at the two exercises side by side, you'll notice that the straight arm pull down only has half the range of motion as the Lat Prayer. And getting a full range of motion is important for effectively training all the fibers of the muscle. In fact, most studies, including this 2012 study, show greater increases in both strength and muscle mass when using a full range of motion. And the Lat Prayer actually has the largest range of motion of any back exercise. So now that we've talked about the anatomy and the specific benefits of the Lat Prayer, let's talk about how to actually set up for and perform the movement. On a cable machine, set the pulley around eye level. Grab the handle, back up a couple of steps, and kneel down. You can place a foam pad or a yoga mat on the ground if kneeling is uncomfortable for your knees. Sit your hips back and lean forward as if you're getting into a praying posture with your arms straight out in front of you. This is where you will start the movement. Keeping a slight bend in the elbow, pull your arms straight down and back while at the same time straightening out your back. But remember to pull with your lats, not your arms. Once your back is upright and the handle is in contact with your legs, squeeze your lats for a second and then lean forward and allow the handle to slowly return to the starting position. You can use a rope attachment to get a slightly extended range of motion and harder contraction at the bottom end of the movement. If your rope attachment doesn't have stoppers on the end and grip strength is a limiting factor for you, you can use 2 single handle attachments. Now, before we end the video, let's talk about one common mistake that's easy to make and how to fix it. And that mistake is not keeping a fixed elbow position throughout the movement. This is often a result of using too much weight. Closing the elbow joint reduces the distance the weight has to travel, making it easier to lift heavier weight. If you're doing this, simply reduce the weight. This exercise is better suited for moderate weights, somewhere in the 8 to 20 rep range. Question of the day. I haven't done one of these in a while. Have you done this exercise before? Let me know in the comments because I'm actually a little bit curious. I've never seen anyone do this exercise in person, and in fact, I didn't even know about this exercise until a few months ago. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you hated it, give it a thumbs down. If you want more content just like this, consider subscribing, or you can check out the exercise tutorial playlist, which will be on screen. You can also check us out on the Treadaway Training Blogcast. We're there every Sunday at 3 p.m. That's treadawaytraining.com/blog. As always, God bless you and your family, and we'll see you tomorrow. Obviously, I didn't really go anywhere. I still have to record the rest of this video before I go to the gym.